Hello nature lovers, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute since my last video, but I'm back today with a new video of propagation. And today I'm gonna propagate one of my favorite indoor plants, the devil's ivy or pothos, however you wanna call it. And the process that I'm gonna use today, it's water propagation, and it's valid for whatever kind of pothos or devil's ivy that you have at home. So without further ado, let's start with it. The pothos plant is one of the easiest to propagate. All you need is a cutting tool and some containers filled with water where you will put all the leaves. Eventually they're going to grow roots, and then you're going to plant them into the soil. You can use water glasses, different jars, whatever that contains water. Now you can use whatever cutting tool you want. I'm using this. Just make sure to clean it thoroughly before you use it, so you don't want to pass any disease to the plant. Okay, so let's start with the cuttings. I'm gonna make my first cut here, and then here, and then here on the last vine. So let's do it. Okay, so now that we're done with the cuttings, we are gonna separate each leaf one by one. But while doing so, we gotta keep in mind that you need to leave a little bit of trunk on both sides of the nod. The nod is this part here, because here is where the roots are gonna grow eventually. And here. So that's it. This is all you need to do. Now let me just cut every single leaf and I get back to you again. Okay, so after separating each leaf, all you need to do is drown the bottom of each leaf into a container, just like this. And of course, this is not all. I have a lot more leaves, so I'm gonna need probably 3 or 4 more containers like this. But better to have more than less, right? Because of course, not every single leaf that's gonna sprout roots, it's gonna survive after you plant it into the soil. And by the way, I always like to propagate my plant at the beginning or mid-winter. I keep them indoor, warm and cozy, so that when spring comes, they'll already be into the soil. So I'm gonna save that time that the plants needs to adapt from water to soil. So this is it, guys. This is the easiest thing that you can do. And of course, the mother plant, the plant that I took the cuttings, is gonna shoot new vines, and it's gonna be more healthy, because propagation also helps the general health of the plant. By the way, I just want to say that I've had this plant for over 3 years, quite easy to take care of, and I've done several propagations, and a lot of the new plants, I gave it away to friends and family. So all you need to do is buy it once, choose a healthy one, and then use this process to propagate it and have a lot more plants around your house or apartment or wherever you live. So this is it for today's video. I really appreciate your support. As you can see, my channel is very, very small and is quite new. So please make sure to subscribe down below. And if you like this video, I'm quite sure you're gonna love this one. Cheers.